All right, picture this. You've got a killer website, amazing content, but there's one missing ingredient: backlinks. In the search world of SEO and AI search, backlinks are your website's secret handshake with Google. Without them, you're practically invisible online. But here's the catch: not all backlinks are created equal. In today's video, we're going to be diving into what backlinks are, why they're crucial for your site's success, and the different types you should be targeting. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around because if you want your website to get more traffic, you need to know this. Hey, this is Nick from SureOak, and we've helped hundreds of businesses get noticed by search engines and LLMs to drive more revenue. Today, I'm here to break down for you the power of earning backlinks. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the different types of backlinks and how they can boost your SEO game. So let's break it down. What are backlinks? Simply put, a backlink is a link from one website to another. Think of it like a vote of confidence. When someone links to your site, Google and big AI models see that as a signal that your content is valuable, trustworthy, and relevant. The more of these votes, aka backlinks, you get, the better your site is likely to perform in search results. Imagine every time someone mentioned your website on theirs, it was like getting a vote saying, hey, this site is worth checking out. And Google, well, Google's algorithm loves these votes. The more backlinks you have, the higher your chances of higher rankings on search engine result pages or SERPs. And if this all sounds a bit overwhelming, don't worry. The right strategy can work wonders, but more on that later. Now, why should you care about backlinks? Easy. They're one of the top ranking factors in all of SEO. Google uses them to determine the authority and relevance of your site. Without enough high quality backlinks, Google might just overlook your site completely or push it down the rankings. That means fewer eyeballs, less traffic, and yep, fewer sales. Let's put it this way. If your site has strong backlinks, you're telling the internet that you're an authority in your field. And when Google sees this, it also trusts you. It pushes you up the search engine results. But if your backlink game is weak, it's like trying to climb a mountain without a rope. Getting the right backlinks can feel like a heavy lift. But when you know what you're doing, the climb gets a lot easier. And lucky for you, there are agencies out there with the expertise to help. All right, let's talk types of backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. There are several kinds, and understanding them will help you make better decisions when you're building your backlink strategy. First up, we have got DoFollow backlinks. These are the golden tickets in the world of SEO. When someone links to your site with a DoFollow link, Google's algorithm takes that link into account and boosts your authority. If you're serious about ranking higher, these are the ones you want to go after. Then there's the no-follow link. These don't pass the SEO juice like the DoFollow ones do, but don't count them out completely. They can still drive traffic to your site and in some cases help you with building a natural link profile, which Google loves. So while they don't directly boost your rankings, they can still bring value. Also, the AI models don't differentiate between no-follow and follow links like Google does. All right, so now that you know the types of backlinks, how do you go about getting them? Simple. Let's break it down. First, create content that people want to link to. Simple, right? If your blog posts or guides are resources and valuable to people, they're more likely to reference them. It's like creating content that's so good that people can't help but share it. Next, start building relationships with webmasters. Reach out to websites and blogs in your niche. Don't spam them. Offer them value, whether it's through guest posts, collaborations, or resource links. Make sure you're providing something that they can use. Here's a really easy strategy: broken link building. So go to the sites you like, find broken links, and then offer your content as a replacement link. It's a win-win situation. You help the website fix a broken link, and you get a valuable backlink in return. And listen, if you're sitting there, this all sounds great, but I ain't got time or know-how to build these backlinks. That's where experts like SureOak come in. We've got the tools and the relationships with over 50,000 reputable websites, and we have the strategies to take your backlink game to the next level. Now, I want to talk specifically about AI for a moment. You may have noticed that AI and large language models are increasingly taking market share of web searches. And it turns out backlinks are still just as important in this new era of search engines and AI-driven content. Here's why: because they look at Google. These models have been trained on vast amounts of data. but they still rely heavily on the same foundational SEO principles, especially when it comes to identifying trustworthy sources of information. So even as AI evolves and changes how we interact with the internet, backlinks will still act as a trust signal that determines which content gets seen and shared. It's not just about ranking on Google anymore. It's about getting noticed by every algorithm that's out there. All right, that's a wrap. Now you know what backlinks are, why they matter, and how to go about getting them. Remember, backlinks are a vital part of any solid SEO strategy, but it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Focus on getting backlinks from trustworthy, relevant sites to your industry and watch your rankings soar. Thanks for watching. And if you want a deeper dive into SEO tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Catch you on the next one.